what are some of the things that kind of excites you about the cybersecurity space, or worries you, what keeps you up at night?
You know, cybersecurity I've always said, it's the best field in the world. I mean, it will make you extremely tired because it's never boring. It touches every single part of the business. It goes from as far as breadth, it goes the full depth. You have to be able to be technically conversant in so many different areas of technology and beyond IT. And then you have to, be able to kind of look at so I feel like sometimes we're perched on the rim of the stadium, and we're watching the unfolding of geopolitical events in front of us and seeing it's going to affect us. And so it's just got this most amazing collection of ways to be both very tactical and practical as well as strategic. And it matters. Like, this job matters. So I'm always really enthusiastic when somebody thinks they want to go into this field. It will test you.